Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to replace a broken handle on this Gerber toilet. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is to turn off the water to the toilet. Next, I'm going to remove the top of the toilet tank. Just make sure to be gentle with it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to flush the toilet to drain the water out of the tank. And I'm just holding the handle down to just allow all the water to go out of the tank. Next, I'm going to remove this clip. There we go. And I'm just going to set this for now, just on top of the flapper. There's a nut right here. I'm just going to undo this. Okay, so after you have the crescent wrench, properly fit on the nut there, then just going to loosen the nut. And then once I get it a little bit, I can do the rest by hand. Okay, and then, oops, wrong way. I'm just going to loosen up the nut all the way so I can take it off this piece by hand now. And then just slide it down over that piece. Don't lose it into the tank. Make sure the flapper is down. And then I'm just going to pull the old handle out through the hole there like that. This is the one that I ordered for this toilet, and it's very similar, but it's slightly different. It has 2 holes here, and this one has 3. The flapper was hooked up to this piece here on the old one, so I'm going to have to hook it up to this piece on the new one, which means I'm going to have to adjust the chain of the flapper as well. Okay, so with the new one, just loosening up the nut, taking it off of this piece of the handle. Just going to put the handle through here like that, and then put the nut on here like this, and then just make sure that that fits, that the handle pieces fit on there like so. Make sure it's secure, and then I'm just going to tighten this nut up. And I'm just going to tighten it by hand as much as I can get it. Okay, so I just tightened this down by hand as much as I could. I think that hand tight is going to be fine. And then, okay, so here is the piece, the flapper. So see, if I hooked it up like this, the flapper's like lifting up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the clip into the toilet handle like that, and now I'm going to adjust the chain of the flapper. So this is one of those things, you don't want it too loose, you don't want it too tight. It's got to be just perfect. So and yeah, that's looking good there. I'm just going to make sure I don't want any jiggle here in the handle. That looks good. And it still allows the flapper to seat all the way into place. Okay, so the next thing is to test it out. I'm going to turn the water back on slowly here. Just made sure that it was turned on all the way. Okay, so everything is looking good in there. Now I'm going to test out flushing the toilet. So here we go. Very nice, seemed to work well. And it looks like I set the flapper chain length good as well. And when you put the top back on, just make sure to put it back on gently. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.